and went over. Here to have no brakes, clobbers the inside wall, up to the 10 seconds. Man, oh man, big wreck on line number 5. Just talking about how they have that car running so well. And now the 8th car. Oh, this is take a minute. Safety crews over there on the scene. Everybody down there in the pits, make sure you back away from the fencing area. 8 car on top of the wall. I thought he was going to flip over there for a moment. Wow, you have to wonder if maybe he had absolutely no brakes the way that car just breezed down the racetrack and into the fence. I told you guys, the superstars, they usually get wild. They usually have about 1 or 2 wrecks on them. Last season, he got involved in a big wreck on the front straightaway towards the second half of the season. We haven't seen him back until tonight, and then he gets into it with Ripley. Now Ripley's car is destroyed. Fortunately for them, Superstock's back in action here next week on the American Auto Sportsman, the Stat Pro Trucks 50 lap series, and then of course the Pro Late models here as well. The big car of racing. Good news over there in turn number 3 or on the back straightaway. Driver John Ripley is okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ripley is okay. Give him a round of applause. We are down to looks like just a handful of stocks. We had 9 of them here, but we lost a 56 car Bobby Holly and hopped into the 77, which could end up being a good move because he'll be in the thing out here. With that crash, Bobby Holly can still salvage a good run. That's why you never give up. You got a car here, you at least start the race. Somebody says that the bottom. Car not running right, and then you start, survive the car, right home to Bobby Holly. So the top 5 of them still, right? Michael, Rocky, David Gould, and Mike Motto, the 3 fastest cars. Look at that. It was a tail, just like we predicted. To see how this one's going to sort out. Just 5 laps complete, 20 laps to go. trackside here to get a word with our winner, Michael Trockey. Make some noise for him. Young kid behind the wheel looking like a veteran out there. Michael Trockey on the victory lane. Perfect race. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Trockey, your winner of the Superstar. What an ovation from the crowd there. Michael, you continue to dominate this division. How did you get so good at this so quick?
I don't know, Jason Boyd, my dad helped me, and I raced him a little bit, just make him laugh.
Well, you got your dad and Jason Boyd helping you. I mean, that about says it all. But you're still going to drive this thing. You beat David Gould and Mike Amato. I mean, two of the best in the super stocks here recently. You're so young, but you look like a pro.
Yeah.
Are you having fun out there in this thing?
Yeah.
Feels good to win, doesn't it? Yeah, it sure does. Who would you like to thank here for helping you out? I think got a lot of sponsors on the machine.
Jason Boyd, my dad, Direct Millwork, Discount Propane, Jim Farmer's Auto Mall, never know, he helped me.
Is your goal to come out here and win every single race you start in this class of shit?
Try to.
Gonna try to. All right, well, you're the man to beat. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up to Michael Trockey, your race winner. Quickly here, we'll see if we can find Mr. Gould, who's walked over there to give an elbow bump. We'll quickly talk to David. David, congratulations. Second place tonight, just couldn't catch the kid, huh?
Nah, man, this is old tires, they went away.
Now, you got Jason Boyd helping you, too, and he's helping him. Is that an unfair advantage?
Absolutely not.
You guys are equal, right?
His great granddad, so I think I did pretty good.
I think you did too, man. Hey, real quick, we're trying to move the show along here a little bit. Anyone you'd like to thank for your efforts tonight?
Oh yeah, I want to thank Jason Boyd, David Russell, my wife. Anyway, it's just everybody that helps out. I like the crowd tonight, man. Thanks for coming, guys.
Guys, give it up to David Gould, great run in second place. And real quick, we'll talk to Mr. Mike Amato, who's got a Stanley steamer going on down here. Mike, you gave it everything you could. Thank you very much for the 50-50. You gave it everything you had. Obviously, you drove the steam out of this thing. And pretty good run for you guys. You guys are just missing it a little bit. What do you got to do to get this car back up towards the front?
Just a little more ironing it out, man. I remember last year, late in the year, we totaled the car and while the year fixed it. It feels pretty good. Tonight we caught some plastic on there overheated. Thanks again for the fans. Thanks for coming out and watching us. I'd like to thank my wife and my daughter, Piper, Wally here, my sponsors, everybody. Thanks, guys.
And we appreciate you, Mike, always being here and always being a competitor out here. Do me a favor, reach in there. We're going to make someone real happy. We got our 50-50 tickets here. He's going to pick out the winner, and we'll give away some money here. Mike Amato reaching deep, picking out a winner. Thank you. Congratulations on a great run. Give it up for Mike Amato and Wally down here. Two-man team making that car super quick.